It must be noted, however, that even if this immunity claim were to be accepted, which is not the case, he cannot lawfully refuse to appear before the Commission and answer questions that do not directly violate the immunity he claims. Mr. Yankuba Touray has also been informed on several occasions that failure to respect a subpoena issued by the TRRC constitutes a contempt of court and is therefore liable to be referred to the High Court for prosecution. In the light of this, the Commission has to act firmly and within the parameters of the law to ensure that actions of this nature are dealt with the full force of law. I therefore have no choice but to order the immediate arrest of Mr. Yankuba Touray pursuant to sections 15(1)H and 15(2)B of the TRRC Act 2017, and to hand him over forthwith to the police station that has jurisdiction over offences within this area, and a referral to be submitted as soon as possible to the Attorney General's chambers for prosecution of Mr. Yankuba Touray at the High Court.
Mr. Touray be given another chance and be asked by the Commission staff to come and appear before the Commission and be sworn in and testify. If he refuses a second time, you adjourn. During this period, can you tell us what were the problems within the Gambia National Army?
I am not going to testify regarding that, please. I invoke my constitutional immunity on all those issues.
Mr. Touray, I warn you that this is not the place to raise the issue of immunity. If you want to raise immunity claim, you take it to the High Court. Let me just finish. This is a truth commission. It's not a civil or criminal proceeding. It is, in fact, not a legal proceeding. So the claimed immunity does not apply to a fact-finding mission by the Commission of Inquiry.
Counsel, I still stand by my position that I invoke the constitutional immunity. The Constitution is the supreme law of this country. Any proceeding that is against the 1997 Constitution, I am not going to testify, and I will not answer any questions.
You may want to hide behind that, Mr. Touray. Let me finish, Mr. Touray.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot be interrupting me when I speak. I would also accord you the same respect. I would not interrupt you when you speak.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to observe proper decorum in the proceedings of the Truth and Reconciliations Commission. Agreed?
I'm listening.
Good. I will not enter into a legal debate with you as to whether immunity applies here or not. I would proceed to ask my questions and would remind you that it is an offense under the laws of the Commission, under the TRRC Act, for failing to answer questions by the Commission. You understand?
I understand. I have gone through your laws and your rules of procedure.
Thank you very much.
So Counsel, please let us not prolong this issue. In the sense that I have appeared, when you ask me whether I'm going to appear and testify, I made it clear that I am going to appear. So the issue of testimony before this commission is out. And I do not recognize the legitimacy of this commission when I have constitutional immunity. I am not going to continue further.
I would tell you.
You may also use all your legal tools, and then we will proceed and see. I thank you.